Hey everybody, Happy New Year. It is Jeff Kasmer with another video, way overdue. As you know, you're probably used to me saying that. I promise to do videos every day or every other day, and then just life and family and business gets in the way, so I apologize. So it is a new year, and I had to do this video today to kind of give you some background as to what's been happening with our company. And so I wanted to first make sure if you're a subscriber, that you subscribe, hit the subscribe, notifications, as well as if you want to get on my mailing list, there's a link in the description underneath this video. If you want to get on my newsletter and you're not ready to get on board with our team. If you're a team member, by all means watch this. Maybe you can learn something. I am an affiliate marketer, a Forex trader, and a network marketer, and I have been making money online for over 20 years now. And I'm really, really excited to do this quick video because our company, which used to be called IMarketsLive, is now IM Mastery. They kind of rebranded. We're entering our 8th year of business, and we had just finished a promotion that ended last night that so many people jumped on, where you could get, you don't have to pay a startup fee, and one of the packages you can get for $165 monthly. And it's just been crazy the last few days here with a bunch of people getting on board, getting ready to start a new year and learn how to be a Forex trader. Whether you have a little experience at trading Forex or you are a veteran, doesn't matter. You can learn a ton of skills and strategies through our company. And one of the best parts is you learn while you earn, okay? Now, let me get, besides the subscribe button and all that, if you want to reach me on Facebook, there I am, Jeff Kasser. Please reach me. If you want to get inside of our team group for potential customers, you want to send me a Facebook request, okay? Facebook request. And then I can add you to our group, which is just for potential customers. And if you want to reach me on my business page, which is strictly Forex, Trade Forex with Jeff, or Forex with Jeff. So that's how you can reach me here. And right here, look at this banner. I quit my job today. We are having so many success stories in our team with people who know nothing about Forex and are learning to trade Forex. So I kind of wanted to do this first video of the new year that they made an announcement that they extended the promotion for 14 more days to January 14th. Okay? So they want as many people to get on board this educational platform to help change your life financially, okay? They are planning to raise the prices, and that's what we have been telling customers. They're going to raise the prices today. So my guess is in the back room somewhere, in the seedy, smoky back room, they have not figured out the price structure of the packages. They might be changing some of the packages. So you have 14 days from today, January 14th, to get on board our team at a reduced rate, okay? Here's the email that we got today. Special promo extended, okay? So last chance for new students to save $25 on the startup and just pay just $164.95. I'm going to show you which package that is right now, okay? So let me go to here. This is the sign-up page. Now, they have various packages, okay? So this left side is a monthly plan option, and it's an initial payment and what you get with it. And then down here is what your normal monthly payment is for that plan, okay? The right-hand side is if you want to pay in advance, 3, 6, or 12 months in advance, and then you save even additional dollars, okay? So these are the 3 plans that, it's actually 5 plans, 6 plans, whatever it is. These are the plans that IM Mastery offers: an Elite Starter Pack, a Platinum Starter Pack, an AFFX monthly pack, and a digital currency monthly pack, okay? So normally, and I'm just focusing on the special right here, normally this amount would be higher, okay? This is the package we are talking about, okay? If you want to learn how to trade Forex, this is the only package you need to have, okay? It's the IML Forex and Crypto Academy, the IML TV All Sessions. We have countless people that are teaching and trading Forex live, or you can view recorded sessions in our academy and our IML TV. Right here is a gold mine. Right here's thousands of dollars monthly, okay? That you're only going to pay an initial payment of $199.95, okay? Then you get harmonic scanner, okay? This scanner I've seen at Forex groups that cost $5,000, okay? $5,000, okay? Then you have access to swing trades and night owl sessions with our CEO, Christopher Terry, as well as special guests. And then Pip Talk, which is kind of a messenger system inside our company where you can follow specific groups of traders, okay, or communicate with people inside. It's almost like an instant messenger, okay? But really, the main thing is these first four, okay? So this is the special. I'm telling you, this is a gold mine, and I'm going to do individual videos on every single product we have. Now, they have products here that are, by the way, I use several of these products. I use the swipecoin, I use the gold cup, I use the web analyzer, okay? However, if you're new, to Forex trading, all you need is a starter pack, okay? I'm going to tell you why here real briefly. We have in our group, the person who kind of runs our team group is the #1 recruiter in the world for IM Mastery, okay? The reason he's not the #1 recruiter in the world is not because he can just get people to sign up, okay? It's he's able to maintain them as customers. The reason he's able to maintain them as customers is because of the value they're getting inside of our team group, besides the value of the package that you're getting, okay? We inside of our team group, a bunch of us leaders, we teach the banker's strategy. It's a strategy for trading Forex where your entries are pin perfect and your exits are pin perfect, okay? Pin perfect, okay? And our members are having great success. Doesn't mean you don't have to have the swipe coin, swipe trades, anything else like that. Of course, I do. I have all the products, okay? And I use them at various times. If you come in and you sign up and you're a member of our team and you learn this strategy, you're going to change your financial future, okay? What we teach people is master a simple strategy of trading Forex, and then expand your horizon to other areas, other apps, software, stuff like that within the company, okay? This is what's really, really important. It's not get rich. You're not going to sign up for this package and be rich in 2 weeks, okay? You got to do a little elbow grease, okay? Got to do a little training. Inside of our team group, we have a step-by-step of getting you started. This is outside of IM Mastery's step-by-step to get started, right? You have a head and tail of a coin to get you started. You have so many resources available to get you started, it's not even funny. And we are dedicated to your success. I work with every single person I bring into the company. Every single one. Talk to them all the time. Doesn't matter how big my organization is, right? I fall under our team. If for some reason I'm unavailable, we have hundreds and hundreds and thousands of people in our group that'll answer your question. If I'm not available, I could be sick, could be in a hospital, could be at my kid's baseball game. Doesn't matter, right? That's why our team is the #1 team in the company. I want you guys to pay attention to this. Okay, it's really, really important. We are the #1 team in the company. Okay, we don't say it, I'm not posting it for this video. We're the #1 team in the company because we help the most people become financially free. Okay, we had a couple people before the holidays. Now, for people who aren't familiar with the Forex industry, it becomes a little slower. The currencies are a little jagged, not much action on trading during the holidays. Well, starting tomorrow, it's going to be rocking and rolling again. Okay, it's going to be rocking and rolling. Here's what we also do. Here's what our specific team does that no other team does. We do live trading with you. Okay? It could be your second day. It could be your first day. You got your app set up, your MetaTrader, you're ready to demo trade because we recommend demo trading at first with fake money to make sure you understand. We live trade. We do a mastermind with our team leaders 4 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we go through all the pairs. We educate you, we teach you, even more than what the company gives you and more than what our little step-by-step checklist has in our Facebook group. Then we do live trading. You can answer questions right away. You can reach us right away. We're an additional extension of the IML Academy, right? You can follow any trader on IML TV, the Forex and Crypto Academies, all that. The training is absolutely outstanding. Okay, but let's say you watched a recording of your favorite trader because you're in the UK and he does it at 9 a.m. here, Eastern time, or something like that, okay? You know what? You can learn. You can learn, okay? But then maybe you have an additional question or something. Okay, great. Come into our group, okay? We go through all the pairs for the week, upcoming potential trades, and we actually give you trades. Remember what I said at the beginning of the video, and I say this almost in every video now. You earn while you learn. That's the key why we're the #1 team in the company, okay? That's pretty much what I got today, okay? I'm getting ready for tomorrow. I've got a bunch of new people that I'm trying to get started. You want to get on board my team, you've got to reach me, okay? You have got to reach me. Business and personal. Send a friend request here. I will get you inside of our group. You will see people crushing it. We had 2 to 3 people last week. This is important where you can see my big face. We had 2 to 3 people, 2 for sure, it might have been 3, who quit their full-time jobs because of what we do and what the company offers. What more do you want to change your life, right? Best time now. You've got all these things. In fact, one of my New Year's resolutions, less soda, more water. Here's my water. That was exciting watching me drink water, wasn't it? That's one of my New Year's resolutions. And sometimes I fail at it because I drink too much soda. But anyway, it's going to be busy. People are looking for ways to make extra money. I guarantee you're looking for ways to make extra money. That's why you're watching this video. This is it. You don't have to recruit one person. There's 2 sides to the business. The trading side and people like me who like to build the business. 96 or 97% of our team, they're just traders. They just want to learn how to trade. You don't have to recruit anybody, right? You can find all kinds of things through Facebook, online, recruit, make this, make 12, blah, blah, blah. Learn to trade Forex. Learn while you earn and change your life, okay? So get with me. Facebook, send me a friend request. I'll get you inside of our team group. 14 days for the promo, right? 14 days. All right? Business page. There you go. Trade Forex with Jeff. Very easy to find, okay? I want everyone, no matter what you decide to do, if you decide to sell real estate or something else you find online, I want all of you to have a very, very successful 2020. Our team is already starting to crush it and change lives like we did in 2019. 2020 is not even going to be close. We're going to blow away 2019. Get on board our team. You'll see what we do. We can add you to our group for potential customers, so you don't have to jump on board today. You can see what we do. You can see what we do every day. Okay? That's it. I promise to do another video tomorrow. I promise. Love y'all. Bye.